In the pursuit of success, the wisdom of the quote rings true. A wishbone, a backbone, and a funny bone are vital ingredients for a fulfilling life. Each element plays a unique role, creating a harmonious balance necessary for resilience and joy. The wishbone symbolizes hope and aspiration. It's the dream that propels you forward, fueling your ambitions and desires. Without dreams, life can feel stagnant, a mere routine void of excitement. Picture a gardener planting seeds in rich soil, nurturing them with care while envisioning their vibrant blooms. Similarly, by cultivating your aspirations and allowing them to take root, you pave the path to success. Set goals that inspire you, reflect on your deepest yearnings, and give yourself permission to dream big. Your wishbone fuels the engine of your life. Next comes the backbone, representing strength and resilience. Life is an unpredictable journey, filled with challenges and adversities. Strong individuals possess the inner fortitude to stand tall against this onslaught. Imagine a mighty oak tree, its trunk sturdy and unyielding, weathering storms and fierce winds. This backbone is what holds you up when difficulties arise. It encourages you to push through setbacks, embrace failures as lessons, and adapt to changes. Cultivating resilience involves nurturing a growth mindset, surrounding yourself with supportive individuals, and practicing self-care. Remember, each challenge encountered is an opportunity to flex your backbone. Lastly, the funny bone brings laughter and joy into the mix. Life can be serious and heavy, making humor an essential component for maintaining balance. Laughter is a powerful antidote to stress, a reminder not to take life too seriously. Envision a group of friends gathered around a table, their laughter filling the air, lightening the weight of their worries. By developing a sense of humor, you can create joy amid life's chaos, allowing you to navigate challenges with grace and positivity. In conclusion, the trio of a wishbone, a backbone, and a funny bone illustrates the essential elements for success. As you pursue your dreams with hope, stand strong in the face of adversity, and cultivate joy through laughter, you create a fulfilling and resilient life. Embrace these three aspects, and you'll be equipped to navigate the complexities of existence with confidence and happiness.